Math Talk series, let us try to answer the percentage problem, which is what percentage of 1,000 is 250? A, 20%, B, 25%, C, 30%, D, 35%. Okay, to find the percentage, 250 is of 1,000. You can use the formula, which is percentage is equal to the whole over part times 100. Okay, so in this case, our whole is 250 and our part is 1,000. Okay, so we have percentage equals 250 over 1,000 times 100. So pwede natin gawin dito yung cancellation method using the zeros. Cancel natin yung 0 and the remaining is 25 over 100. And we all know that 25 over 100 that represents 0.25 in decimal. Then multiply lang tayo ng 100, or in this case we are talking about percentage, move the 2 decimal places from left to right, and that is equal to 25% para wala nang multiplication na nangyari. So therefore, letter B tayo sa part na to. Follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.